sour, and Ryan went for a chopped mint slice stout. Bridge again. Just a little bit too much pressure. We're both soaked. On the plus side, we just filled up all 3 tanks for $1. Was it worth it?
Yeah. Hey look, you want to wash hair?
I haven't washed my hair in a week.
Come on, go.
In a hurry. Hi everyone, just thought I'd give you a quick update what's been happening, because it's been a little while since we have recorded anything really. So we left Habitat Noosa, had a wonderful time there, and we went straight back down to the Gold Coast to go back to our friend's house to catch up with them again. Had a lovely just over a week. Not really much to report on. We both got sick, so we didn't really do much. We went to a great place called the Yorkie Ripper for dinner one night, which was amazing. Very British inspired food, so I very much recommend that on the Gold Coast. What else happened? Oh, and also I signed up to be an audience member extra at Warner Brothers Movie World for a morning. So basically I saw the call out the evening before, and got down there bright and early at 6 o'clock in the morning, and we spent the morning just doing like promo shots, background work for the park, for the theme park. So yeah, that was really interesting to do that. I've done lots of theatre, but I haven't actually really done filming, so you never know, you might see the back of my head in the Movie World promo shots. But yeah, it was really good. Then I met 2 other girls while we were filming, and we spent the day together just going on all the rides and everything and checking everything out, which was lovely. And also they gave us a free day pass for another day, so I've got that in my back pocket, and when we head back down to the Gold Coast I can go check out Movie World again, hopefully when the Scooby-Doo ride is open, because I've heard great things about that and people are very devastated that it's been closed for so long. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We are on the Sunshine Coast right now. Not really up to much, we're just kind of biding our time. We've got some warranty work coming up this week. Next week we are actually stopping in the Sunshine Coast for a few weeks for work, so we're going to be doing that. I'm sure we'll do a little bit of recording, probably not as much, but oh well. And yeah, so that is pretty much what's been happening. What's cooking sticks?
What's cooking sticks? This is a rolled lamb roast. I've done a little marinade Rachel's never tried before.
Ooh, how exciting.
So we'll see how that goes, and then yeah, just some veggies. Nice healthy hearty meal.
Ooh, looks pretty good. Shrunk a fair bit.
It's good.
Yep, the weather's definitely taken a turn. Beanies are on. Lug boots will be coming out soon. Are you warm?
Yeah, warm enough.
Still got your shorts on. Cooked?
I'll try that for veggies are soft.
Just sorting out my contribution to dinner tonight. Oh, and I made gravy as well, of course. So what did you put on the marinade?
Garlic, sugar, or brown sugar, some salt and pepper, some other spices, olive oil. That's about it. Pretty actually.
Yum. I'm going to the middle.
Can't see it.
I'll be over the light.
No, just turn the...
Today's entertainment. Ryan trying to split logs. What's logs? Logs. What's cooking sticks?
Chicken curry.
Delicious. Red Thai chicken curry, yeah?
Need to buy more olive oil.
I'll pop it on the list. You think?
It's hard to tell. Just going to wait for it to cool down, then I'll eat a bit.
Okay. I can't see a thing. It's really bright. You idiots.
That's why I did it. I told you I'm silly.
How's it taste?
Shit. Won't be any good.
No. Looks like I'm having s'mores for dinner then.
Better order McDonald's.
It does.
What are you making there, Rachel?
Well, I'm going to make some s'mores today. So I have got some digestive biscuits, the best biscuits in all the land. And I popped some Nutella on there. And I thought today I'm going to put a little dash of sea salt. Because it's very sweet, so we need a little bit of salty.
interesting.
And then, of course, marshmallows. Do you reckon they are a 1 marshmallow small or a 2 marshmallow small? Maybe 1 because they'll squish.
Just 1, yeah, 1 seems.
Do you want a pink or white?
White, please.
Good old stick. Right. Ooh. 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 Look at them.
Don't burn them.
Is that enough?
Yeah, it's perfect.
So you think it's a 2?
Well, I don't know. Put them on, we'll have a look.
Okay.
It'll be hot. Oh, no, you might be right.
Yeah, I reckon 1's enough.
1's probably enough. Yep.
Okay. Squish, squash. Oh, look at that. There you go, Ryan.
Thanks.
Welcome. Verdict?
Cool.
Yeah.
Off.
Yum. So we've just been for a little walk to the big pineapple.
Okay.
Yeah. Pretty busy road, but we survived, so yeah. Yeah, so we're just heading back to camp now and yeah. Pie for lunch. So I've made a zucchini slice this afternoon. We're going to pop it in the smoker and have it for the next few days' lunches.